Now, let's say you want to draw attention to specific values or observations in your histogram, right? So we can do this by adding what we call markers to your histogram, right? Say, for example, we want to add the mean line, right? In that case, say you want to give an idea about how much of the distribution is above and below average. So you can add in what we call a value marker, right? So in this case, we have came across a way in which we can draw lines, right? So that way is what is AB line, for example, right? So when we come in here and say AB line and say we want a vertical line that will represent the average value of these waiting times, right? And we say the color should be red, and then the line type, say let's use 2, and then say the line width also becomes 2. And if you run this, you observe that we have now added this vertical line which represents the average. Another way in which you can even draw more attention and make your histogram to be easier to interpret is if you place the values on top of the bars, right? So let's say, for example, we come in here and say labels and we set this to true. So what will this do is that it will place the value on top of the bars. And if we run this, and this here now becomes a histogram, but now we have added the values in each bar on top of the bar. So this becomes even much more easier if you want to interpret your histogram.